Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Cadillac Escalade with its key. To begin, simply press the unlock button on your key fob. This will open all the doors for you. When you're ready to leave, press the lock button once to secure your vehicle. You can also use the remote start feature to prepare your Escalade's climate before you even step inside. If your key fob battery is low, don't worry. You can still get in. First, find the small release button on your key fob to slide out the hidden physical key. Then, insert this key into the lock cylinder on the driver's side door handle. Give it a turn clockwise, and your door will unlock, allowing you to enter your Escalade. Opening the rear liftgate is also very straightforward. Just press and hold the dedicated liftgate button on your key fob for a few seconds. The liftgate will then automatically open to a comfortable height, making it easy to load or unload items. You can also use the button located directly on the liftgate itself for manual control. Your Escalade key fob offers a few more helpful features. If you ever feel unsafe or need to locate your vehicle in a busy parking lot, simply press the panic button to activate the alarm. Remember, your key fob typically has an operational range of about 200 feet, and some models even include a button for power folding mirrors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.